Oh, may tayo there. It says unboxing. Ayan, it already says unboxing. Hi guys! Yes, yes! Ayan ayan na. Right, correct. I think is coming. Hi Queen, hi everyone. Knock favor, can you get water dun sa tumbler ko? Welcome back po. Hello, when kaya mag-show sa Bicol? Oo nga. Ask your you know what? Marina and I are planning to do provincial shows. So, ang alam ko, by next year, Marina has plans to go Cebu and So, if you want to bring more queens to your provinces, let us know. Unboxing of a lot of things. Suspect. Actually, I want to do, gusto kong gawin yung suspect. We miss you, mother. We miss you too. Miss na Evasius. Yes. See you in 15 days at Drag in the South. Yes! Oh my God. Drag in the South. Oh my gosh. Yung t-shirt na ipapagawa ko. So guys, for Drag in the South, I'm gonna have a commemorative shirt. We're gonna sell it as merch. So if you want it, let us know. We'll let you know of the design in advance. Oh nga pala. Mapagawa pala ako. Remind me. Yes. Unboxing of iPhone 16. Yes, I'm gonna unbox my new iPhone 16 Pro today. I miss your evangelism na, Miss Eva. When your next upload? Yeah, I'm sorry. I had been so busy. Feeling ko, na-realize ko na the evangelism doesn't need to be like super pasabog. Parang, I think I'll be more active in my social media. I think I'll be tulad kanina, nasa kotse ako, I filmed it, I posted it, and it's cute. So yeah, na-miss ka namin. I miss you too. I miss you, sister. Thank you. Show kayo dito sa Bacolod, ma-avail ko agad. Yes. Bacolod, yeah, actually, tinanong ko si Yudi Puto, kamusta dyan eh. Naka-16 na ako, 11 pa rin na ako. Okay lang, I have 2K videos of Eva. What's your Globe plan? Siyempre, din tayo sa Platinum. Well, in case you don't know, I am one of the official ambassadors of Globe. I am part of their influencer circle called #TeamGlobe of Good. So, I just recently signed their contract. And your girlie is an official Globe ambassador. So, yeah. Hey Siri, bigyan mo kami ng ayuda ng Evasius. I'm sure we will have. Taas ko nga to. Ayan na. Okay. So today we will be unboxing. Ngayon, 3 days kasi kaming wala sa super sulit pag nasa MNG si Eva kasi hindi minamadali yung meet and greet. Thank you. Yeah, actually yun yung essence ng meet and greet, diba? Kaya sometimes when we do meet and greets, ako, when I do meet and greet sa South, on the mic sinasabi ko talaga na, hi guys, mag-hi kayo sa lahat ng Queens ha. Davao, when? Sure. As in, I think 2025, I have more plans to do more shows. And we're trying to find ways para mapababa natin yung ticket prices because we know na medyo mas mahal talaga medyo mahal ang Ru Girls eh. Mahal ang mga Ru Girls, not because malalaki mayabang na sila, pero you have to understand that for out of Manila trips for, halimbawa, Pampanga or medyo malayo, meron silang mga turn down na mga shows din sa Manila just for them to be there, you know. Unlike dito sa Manila, tumutuhog yung mga bakla, rampag, here, there, everywhere. When we do provincial shows, 3-4 days yung nawawala sa amin. So medyo ganun talaga. But we're trying to find ways para mas mapamura natin ang ticket prices for provincial shows. So if you know anyone that's interested to sponsor it or help us make that happen, go ahead. Si Mindy nandito na sa Davao. Ay, ginagawa niya dyan. Isang hi Cyril naman. Jensen Wen. Ayan. So guys, if you want shows in your respective provinces, madali lang yan. Let us know. A producer, a promoter, a venue. pa-message nyo sa akin or sa playhouse.ph and then we can make it happen. The queens are very happy to meet you all. Okay? As in, yung season 3, they want to travel. Season 2, season 1. Ang dami-dami nating Rue Girls. We would want to go to your provinces. So, yes. Deserve ng higher tickets price. Worth it naman. Thank you. Thank you. Hoping to see you here on Iloilo. CDO. Yeah. Laguna when? Sure. So, again, if you want people if we want Rue Girls in your provinces, kaya yan. Imagine, I was able to bring Precious, Maxi, Angel, yung lineup namin sa Pampanga. The only problem was that, we had some electrical difficulties. But other than that, kaya naman. Kaya naman magdala ng Rue Girls sa inyong mga probinsya. So, i-connect nyo siya sa akin. I'll do the work. Okay? We are here with Minty tonight. Wow! Minty is in Davao. Is it in Oasis? Or ano? So, Pampanga when? I'll be back, Pampanga. Pampanga, wag ka mag-alala. Number 1 ka sa akin. I'll be back for Pampanga, I promise. Yes. Laguna po, please. Yes. See you sa roast. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for the roast. And roast is gonna happen this week. Nakasulat na ako ng jokes. And oh my gosh. So today, what I'll be doing is I will be unboxing these things. Ayan. Bale, 3 araw kasi kung... But it was Marina's birthday, so we had like a short trip in La Union. And pagbalik ko, meron akong 8 Shopee deliveries that are here. And then I also just got my new iPhone 16, courtesy of our good friends from Globe. Shout out kay Globe, thank you so much. And yeah, how was LU? Okay naman siya. Normally, when we stay in LU, we stay in this place. They're friends of ours, me and Marina, the owners. Eliseos. It's in a medyo tagusyang part. So, hindi siya sa may Orbiz area. But, yeah, it was good. Ano naman ako. Na-refresh naman ako. Hoping one day you can come to Chile. Oh my God! Marina had like... had the worst immigration nightmare. You know, the thing about us Filipinos, medyo our passports are like weak ass passports. We have to get visas everywhere. So yeah. San Kagel. Las Piñas Wenma. Dragon the South. Dragon the South is gonna happen in Las Piñas yun, diba? South. Yeah. Kalibo abot kayo ate-atihan here. Kalibo, Aklan, Boracay. Malay nyo. Malay nyo, hindi lang show yung dali natin sa Boracay. Yes, but I do also have plans to have shows in Boracay. So we're just talking to some hotels there and sana push through. Pero so. Yes, SM Bigutan, bawal kasi sa bar. Mamaglago na kayo. Gumawa ng position paper, no? Evasius Maxiana sa CDO. Anong chika kay Naiad Marina ma? Ayun, nagkantutan sila. Eme lang. Isa-screenshot nyo na lang. Isa-screen record nyo na naman yan. Kung ano na naman yung sabihin ko dito, isa-screen record nyo na naman yan eh. Anyway, habang nagkwakwentuhan tayo, mag-unboxing na ako ng aking mga Lazada finds. So, ayun. See you in Ditsma. See you! Bataan when? Ang dami palang lugar sa Pilipinas, no? Ang dami pala. Bacoor, di ba part ng ano yan? Cavite, South. Drag in the South. Nakita na ba kayo ni All Too Well? Well, just an update where we're not talking anymore. Hindi naman sa parang one day na lang, he stopped messaging, I stopped messaging, he stopped messaging. And tulad nga ng post ko kanina, you just have to let it go. So, I don't know, kung mag-US pa ako ulit. So, Nakakatawa kasi nag-TikTok ako, no? Nung tinype ko yung pangalan ng Eva Lee Queen, isa sa mga pinakamaraming searches na nakasulat is Eva Mr. All Too Well. Naging viral pala yon yung kinikwento ko sa inyo yung love story ko. Ayan. Ay, hindi alam mabataan. Alam ko, may Nueva Ecija pa dito, ma. Oo, yung nanay ko taga Nueva Ecija. Shoutout sa mga taga Nueva Ecija. Ang nanay ko taga ano yan, taga Likab. Ayan. Alam na ba ni All Too Well ang name mo? Oo. Sana hindi siya nanonood. Ewan ko, di naman ata nakakaintindi ng Tagalog yun. All Too Well, tapos background music ni Taylor Swift. Australia when? Ay, tanongin niya si Gigi Era. Si Gigi Era kasi ayaw na nag-i-invite ng maganda. Natatalo siya. Eme. Okay, so first Shopee find is the Dove curl defining mousse. Binili ko to kasi ni-recommend siya sa akin ni Miss Jade So for my human hairs. Because, you know, in the next couple of weeks, couple of days, I just want to, medyo gusto ko na ng variation sa buhok ko. Ayoko nang lagi na lang akong naka-structured hair. So I think I'm gonna wear more curls. I'm gonna more pageant waves. And parang yun yung amats ko. So bumili ako ng style ng curls. Ay, iyak atashi habang nagkukwento ka talaga nun with background music. Ah, talaga ba? Naaalala niyo pa? Pansinin mo naman ako, mapapansin ako. Well, fuck you! Mawen sa paliparan. Sa paliparan? Bakit pala nagpagupit si Miss Jade sa Miss Eva? You know, kinwento niya sa akin to when we were in the Montinola event. Sabi niya, sis, bukas magpapakeme na ako. Papagawa na niya. Yung Nayahoru, yung ano niya. Because, you know, si Jade kasi, really, kapag nakausap niyo siya, she is a very spiritual person. She is, contrary to what some of you might think, Miss Jade So is intelligent. She is so smart. She is so kooky, and that is also her problem. Her problem is that her head is always full of thoughts. Si Jade kasi is hyper self-aware. Marami siyang naiisip, marami siyang nagawa, and she's very keen, very perceptive siya. Marami siya napapansin. So, ganyan. And you know, kaming Ru girls, every now and then, meron kaming pinagdadaanan eh. I've been through it, and I think this is the season that Jade So is going through it, na parang you ask yourself, ano na? What's the next thing for you? What do you want? So, the problem of being famous in a very short span of time is that you tend to lose yourself along the way. Alam mo, parang yung rise to fame kasi ng Ru girls, ano talaga sa hindi it's 3 months lang na nag-air yung season nyo, suddenly everybody knows your name, and then suddenly you forget who you are. So I think Jade did that to remind herself that she is in control of her own fucking life. She gets to do whatever the fuck she wants. She doesn't have to be pretty all the time kasi alam na niya maganda siya. And she is so cunty. She is so brave for doing that. Ang ganda, in fairness. I saw her. Bagay sa kanya kasi pag sa akin ginawa yun, parang gago. Parang gago. So, but when I saw Jade, and then magkakasama kami, di ba? She seemed more free. The energy, she laughs more. Kasi si Jade, di ba, parang siya parang, yeah. That's the side of Jade that people wants you to see. Ako, I'm very happy to be able to see the side of Jade that, you know, yung tawa ng tawa. As in 2 nights lang kayo magkakasama, parang ang sakit ng tiyan, ang dami kong tawa, ang dami naming tawa. I'm missing you on my screen. Real ma, super ganda niya, di ba? Bagay sa kanya eh. Bagay sa kanya, I feel, because her personality, yung personality niya, bagay yung hair na yun. You know, she's so brave, she's so... Okay, next item na bubuksan natin. Galing sa Enchantress. Ano kaya ito? Ayan, so unboxing tayo. Bulacan Wen. Mana dulas ka ata sa lipa. I-type mo ulit na umangat na sa taas. Maisasagot ko na lang talaga sa exam tong chickeness mo. Oo, sabihin mo sa kanila, GB lang. Ma, pwede magbigay ng gift sa mga queen sa December 5. Ano yung December 5? Rose? Yeah! Sure. Oo naman. Every item may chika, shoota. What are you unboxing? I am unboxing the things that I bought online. All 8 of them came to my doorstep while I was away for 3 days. So yeah. My Jujubee challenge, please. Do another season. Okay lang ako, be. Okay lang ako. Oh! Contact lenses. Sana naman tama na. So these, I bought 10 pairs of contact lenses. And I always buy the wrong one. So ngayon, kasi yung contact lens na suot ko sa Global Drag Race. Drag Race Global. Ano nga ulit yun, Char? Drag Race Global. Global All-Stars. Hindi ko na siya mahanap. Out of stock na siya dun sa dating store. Kasi hindi ko na siya mahanap. So now I'm experimenting. And I'm looking for the right contact lenses. Right! Okay. Try mo lahat. Manasan si Marina? I think Marina... Si Marina? Hindi ko alam. I think she is packing today. I think she's packing for, aalis siya ulit eh. I think she's going to another beach trip or something. Tama. What brand ng contacts? Hindi ko alam. Mine lang para. I will always remember your talent show. Me too. But you know, the thing about that talent show is that the gag kasi of that show, of that talent show, is that you don't know what to expect. Now, the moment that you already know what's the punchline or what's the gag, it already loses its magic. So, I don't know how else I'm gonna do it again because everybody already knows what's the end like, diba? So, parang sayang. But yeah, that was fine. I loved it. What is this? Akin ba to? Weird. Napanaginipan ko last week. Favorite ko yun. Yeah, iconic talaga talent show mo, ma. Diba? Yun lang yung iconic din sa season na yun eh. I mean, not to sound bitter or anything ha, pero I really have a feeling na parang isa yun sa mga highlights. Reed sticks. Oh my gosh. Ito kasi, this is for my reed diffuser. Yeah, that I bought. Pang matanda. Tayo na ng mga pinamili ko, no? Reed sticks. Yeah. Because you know what? I found this really nice aroma oil. Yugen, yung name. Sobrang mahal nung reed nila. Imagine 10 pieces, 600. Eh ito, 60 pesos, 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, bumili ako ng 6. So, it smells so good. It's just so good. Yugen, hanapin nyo. And then, look for the scent Inspire or Saint-Tropez. It's so good. If you like fruity, melon, pomegranate, kineme, then that's the thing. Ma, what if i-vlog mo na yan? Ang alin? May vlog naman ako, pero ano lang guys, imagine I have my invites for performances. I have my shows. On top of the shows that I'm invited to perform, I produce my own shows. I direct the shows. I book queens for campaigns. I manage some queens. And then on top of that, I also preparing for DragCon. And then I'm doing my new podcast. May energy ka ba lumaban tonight? Okay. Can I have my phone? Okay, my laptop. Sa mga naghahanap kay Marina, nag-message ang Marina. At mukhang nabuhay si Marina Summers. At nagyayaya siyang lumabas. Go! Mukhang lalabas kami tonight at may kasama kaming international girl. Okay. Yes! Yes! Pero idlip muna ako. Okay, mag-unboxing muna ako. Mag-unbox lang ako ng iPhone 16. Haha! Ayan. Inaaya ko si Jade. Okay. Kung magising siya. Right! Susunduin daw tayo ni Marina Summers. Yay! Okay. Wala naman ako meeting tomorrow, right?
Sunday ba?
Sunday. Alright. So, the bitches are going out tonight! So, bilisan na natin tong unboxing ko. Anak daw ng evasion sa Maxayana. Hindi, no? Ba't ako magkakanak ng ganun? Pangit. Tsaka lang, ire-record nyo naman to. Putang ina nyo. Ano na naman ako. Okay, next item. Ma'am. Rigged ng Global All-Stars. We already know that. So, where was I? Ano ba yung sabi ko? Well, ayun na nga. The rice cooking is the best thing that happened in that shit show. And, well, my best drag is the best drag. So, okay na yon with whatever airtime that I can juice out doon sa contest na yon. I made it count. So, okay na yon. Napatawad ko na yung sarili ko sa mga nangyari. So, patawarin nyo na rin patawarin nyo na rin si RuPaul. Okay? Ma, do you hang out with Minty ba? Oo naman. Okay, next stop is Dodo. Sabi kasi ni Miss Jade, so maganda daw tong pangkulot. So, it's like a curling iron. Ayan. Pangkulot. So, tignan natin. Kasi di ba si Jade, meron siya yung mga baby hair. Tapos meron siyang I love you, Eva. I love myself too. Ma, yung hair mo nung nandito si Plastic, bagay na bagay sa'yo. I think the hair theory is real talaga. What hair was that? Latina hair? Oh, the curly, Latina hair. Okay. Thank you. Noted. Ano pang mga hairs kung gusto nyo? I-comment nyo dyan sa labas. Sobrang hot ba ni Gala sa personal? Oo, te. Tapos hindi nagbibrief. Pogi ni, Gala. Siya rin barkada kami. We call ourselves the Mango Team. And ako yung lagi nagyayaya ng inuman. So, yeah. Ay, hindi pwede go. Update ko kayo sa oras. Okay, bawi ako sa'yo. See ya. Kasi kahapon, after ng birthday ni Marina, hindi na ako nakasunod sa kanya. Hi, so sad. Go. Okay, if you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Lahat po except dun sa era na laging patusok yung hair mo. Huh? Kailan ako nagkaroon ng patusok na hair? Sino mas pogi, Ru Girls, na naka-undrag? Ako, my ultimate crush, Lina Galore of Italy. And Ella Vaday. Ay, nako. My very first DragCon LA. Ella Vaday was just like parang, di ba yung katapat, ito yung daanan, no? Katapat ko, may katapat, 2, 3, andun sa Ella Vaday. Tapos, when we do DragCon, 2 days or the day before DragCon, lahat kami nagpupupok-pok, ganyan. Bakla, si Ella Vaday, nakasando lang siya. Pogi! Pogi, gigigil ako. Ayun. Small rig. Hindi to sa akin. Hindi siya sa akin na small rig. You are the best global icon. Don't say that! Don't say that! Oh my God. Thank you. Wow, so hot. Poganda, Mami Eva. Thank you. Ma, try mo mag-semi-kalbo. I did! Alam mo, dati, yung hair ko, siya, sa kanya ko inaano dati kapag depressed ako or kasi parang feeling ko yung buhok ko, dyan lang ako may control. So, sa akin yan? Okay sa akin yung... Okay, nagpa-chemical na ako. Kaso kasi, mga anak, medyo mataas na yung hairline ko. So, yun ang anaan yan. Oy guys, bumili na ba kayo ng ticket sa Joy to the World? Meron na lang daw ata, parang less than 50 na lang. Hindi ba kami naglalabas ng ng full lineup? Ang ganda ng poster namin. Si Marina kasi gumawa eh. Alam niyo naman si Marina. Ganda. I told Kieran Thrax on her IG like to say hi to you and Marina. Is she coming? Is she coming? Ma, can you adopt Kiana? Kiana is like an honorary playhouse. Nilaunch ko siya nung pop-up ate as the playhouse protege. I don't need to adopt kids. Parang alam nyo, sa playhouse, basta, kahit sino naman binubuk ko sa playhouse eh. Even the Divine Divas, kahit sino. Wala namang kailangang adopt. Basta talented ka at higit sa lahat, professional ka trabaho. I will give you all the gigs. I'll give you all the show. I'll show you how to do it. I'll help you make your service agreements. Yan lang naman ang gusto natin. Gusto natin pangalagaan yung mga magagaling. Okay? So itong binili ko, nakita ko rin to kay Jade. So, alam mo, ang daming budol sa akin ni Jade ha. Hi mother, sayang wala si Baron sa Joy to the World. Oo nga eh. Siya dapat yung love interest na, ang plano sa amin, mag-aaway sana kami ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Pag-aawayan sana namin siya. Tignan nga natin kung nagana to. Ayan. Eva, when the mango tour? I don't know. My mangoes are like crazy. Because everyone is just so busy right now. And I think that's a good problem to have, right? Oopsie. So, I bought this handheld spotlight. Oh my gosh. Makakapag-photoshoot na tayo sa mga events. This is it. Okay. And then, right. Pineapple on pizza or no pineapple on pizza? No pineapple because I like my pizza margarita. Jade sa gastador na friend na mahilig mang recommend. True? Hindi. Hindi siya mahilig mang recommend. Ako yung friend na inggitera. So, that's how I am. Ito, ganito. Can you try? Can you check?
The batteries.
Yeah, with the batteries. There's another battery here. Ayun na nga. So, ang saya. S1 reunion. I-record nyo na naman to eh. Pinag-usapan na natin to nung huling live ko, di ba? Hindi nga pwedeng mag-reunion kasi nga. Para naman tayong bago ng bago. Hindi, actually, okay naman sila. So, may lang yung last time ha. I would say this. Okay naman kaming lahat. Ano? Charger? This one? Try to see if it works. Yeah. Bakit hindi okay sila? I'm gonna say this once and for all. Lahat ng cast ng season 1 is okay. Okay naman kaming lahat. If anything, siguro parang ang medyo distant lang na not for anything, it's because dahil hindi lang namin siya nakakasama was Silhouette. Dahil si Silhouette always travels. I think she's working on a film. So may times na parang extended. Merong time na matagal siyang nagstay sa Europe. Yeah. How is it? Ay! Walang yellow.
Let's see. Yan.
Adjust mo nga. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! O, tingnan mo sa live. Is it bright? Is it bright enough? I love it. I love it. I love it. Over. Puro bitin ng kwento mo, Mi. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Evacious lubog? Hindi. Evacious libog. Ano daw? Ano daw? Over. Ivarina Eme. Very slay ka dyan, ma. Ang ganda. I love it. It's working. So, humanda na kayong mabulag sa meet and greet. Dali natin yan sa mga meet and greet natin, diba? Wala akong pakialam. Wala akong pakialam kung lalabas kayong may katarata. At wala kayong ibang nakikita. Basta maganda kami sa picture. Okay? Hoy! Sabi niya, Diyos ko, ano na naman yan? Na-pretty mo so much, ma. Salamat. Ayan. Kaku. Okay. Libog ang puta. Bakit? Di ba kayo nakakaramdam nun? Actually, yan nga ang edge ni Angel. Excited na ako sa roast kasi excited na ako i-roast si Angel. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I think this is the I can smell it. Naamoy ko na siya. Oh! Remember guys, the brand that I told you, Yugen? Right. So, I love their perfume so much. I love the scent that they had. So, parang pag pumunta kayo dito sa bahay, for sure, ito yung amoy. And I love the aroma so much that I bought the shower gel. Naku, mauubos lang agad sa akin to. The shower gel. Ang liit naman. Ang liit, 3,000 na to. Ang liit. And then I also bought their candle. Because, pay-per-view ng Rose Please. Yeah, actually, inisip ko na rin yan eh. So, itong sa Rose na to, baka gandahan na namin. Kasi syempre, parang ayoko naman mag-pay-per-view tapos hindi maganda, hindi quality yung video, ganyan. So, I think this time we're gonna set up a video and then we're gonna sell the pay-per-view. As per and hopefully mabay natin ang rights sa ating mother company at i-award sa atin. Oh, ayan! This one. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Grabe. Oo eh. Putang ina. Ang oy. Di ba ganun yung mga yung mga nasa TikTok? Oh my God, guys, you have to try this. I swear by this. As in, kahit kudin nyo na yung left atay ko. Oh my God. Meron bang right atay? Yes. Oh my God! Ah! It's so good. It is so good. So, I highly recommend this. This is not a paid advertisement, okay? I'm not paid to do this. I'm just saying that this is my favorite. And yeah, bango. So, alam niyo na yung secret ng bahay. Ito yung amoy niya. Yugen. Alright. Nabuksan ko na ba lahat? Okay. Nasaan na yung binili kong bidet? Meron akong biniling bidet, yung panglinis ng puwet. Hindi dumating. Bungol. Anyway, meron bang right atay? Ang OA. Thanks po, nag-check out. Yes, not sponsored. Do you have merch? No, magma-merch ako siguro for DragCon. Yes. So, for DragCon, I'm planning to have an anik-anik merch. So, ang merch ko ay anik-anik. I need a plushie of my rice cooker and a rice cooker. So, yun siya. Bulalo realness. Oo nga pala. And this is the real thing. So, guys, I'm going to unbox my iPhone 16. Actually, na-check ko naman na siya kanina. Gusto ko lang patunayan sa inyo na hindi ko lang hinawakan yung box at binalik sa store. So, today, we will be unboxing my iPhone. Oh, diba? May resibo pa. So, I renewed my contract. Dahil alam mo, tayo isang social media keme, so of course, I am on a platinum plan. With unlimited everything. May kasama silang, sobrang unlimited ng platinum ng Globe, may kasama siyang pansit canton kapag nag-renew ka. Ayan. So, of course, I got my new iPhone 16. Buksan na natin siya. iPhone 16 what? iPhone 16 Pro. Kasi I got small, gentle hands. Look at my hands. Di ba babae? Ang pangit kung medyo malaki siyang ganyan. So, so, ganito. Some gift meron, wala. Ganyan. So, syempre, meron na naman tayong bagong i-explore. So, I chose the color white. Yes. Why? Because burara ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng phone. Oh, yan. It says, sabi niya, hello. Oh, nakita niyo yung box ha. Hindi ko siya binili sa Quiapo. Bonjour. Cute! Nanipis lang siya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng color. Diba? The original iPhone, yung mga dating iPhone, puti talaga, diba? Puti naman siya talaga.
Parang
Oo. Ngayon puti siyang ganyan. Tapos ito daw, meron daw bagong feature. Mas powerful na daw yung Siri ngayon. Pwede mo daw sabihin parang, Siri, wash the dishes. Gag. Yung Siri pala, no? Ang dami ng pipindutin, no? Tignan mo, may ganito, may ganyan, may ganyan. Tapos may dalawa, isa pala dito, ganyan. Tapos 3 na yung camera. Yung iPhone ko kasi, syempre, hindi ko mapakita sa inyo kasi syempre, yun yung gamit ko na. Mamaya, magte-teleport ulit yung tweets mo. Yan. Oh, okay. Yeah, life is good, anak. Okay. So, kanina, yung ipinila ko sa power bank. Bumili ako ng power bank para bumili ng iPhone case. Share ko lang sa inyo, no? Grabe sa SM North EDSA, ate. Never na akong babalik doon on a weekend. Nakakaloka. Parang kalahati ng Quezon City nasa SM North EDSA kahapon. Ang gulo-gulo. Syempre, hindi naman sa nag-iinerte ako, no? Pero medyo maasim na talaga yung daan, ano? Merong area kami na nadaan sa... Maasim, te. Sa SM North EDSA. Tapos parang nakakalito siya, te. Dami-dami yung building, ganyan. Ang daming tao. Tapos nasa Power Mac kami. Ang gulo-gulo. Ang gulo-gulo dun sa Power Mac, te. Bibili lang naman ako. Parang ito lang. Tapos yung pila, hindi naman siya sobrang haba. Pero alam nyo, if there's one thing ha, can I just say kay Power Mac, yung proseso nyo, can I just rant? iPhone case lang yung binili ko. Ang daming papeles. Yung papeles, akala mo pipirma talaga, akala mo talaga bumili ako ng bahay at lupa sa dami ng mga pirmahan niyo po dito, keme, ganyan. Tapos ang lalaki, parang ang laki ng aksaya nun sa ang aksaya lang. Tapos ang dami tatanungin yung pangalan mo, ganyan. Ang tagal ng proseso sa Apple. Parang sana may express lane para lang sa mga maliliit na bagay na ganito. Hindi naman ako bumibili ng bahay at lupa. Ang daming papeles na binigay sa akin. Ang ganda nung case! Shit. Oh, ayan. Tapos, nakakatawa doon sa no. So, nasa pila kami, ganyan. Inano ko na rin, parang, nung tumingin ako sa paligid, ang gulo, nakakatawa. Merong grupo ng mga, parang mga grupo sila, parang grupo of 7, may mga sila. May grupo ng mga Indians doon, may grupo ng mga estudyante dito, tapos may grupo ng mga magkakaibigan dito. Tapos, yung guard, sinasaway yung isang babae kasi meron nga naman siyang mineral water na nakapatong dun sa mga ganyan. Parang ang gulo, tapos merong mga batang naghahabulan sa gilid. Tapos, hindi ko alam, parang sira ata yung alarm nila. Kasi kahit nung lumabas ako, tumunog yung alarm. So yung alarm tunog ng tunog. Tapos, biglang may nagde-demo dun sa malayo na naka-microphone. Siya ganyan. This is a camera. Tapos, ang gulo. Basta ang gulo. Tapos pag tinignan mo, akala mo Starbucks. Kasi yung mga tao na sa laptop, ganyan. Pero hindi naman nila laptop yun. Laptop yun dun sa... laptop yun dun. Nagtitisis. Tapos, ang nakakatawa, nung palabas na ako, may nakita akong babae na meron siyang iced coffee. Iced coffee niya. Nakapinatong pa niya doon. Tapos laptop siya. Parang, loka te, lifestyle. Si ate, nakakatawa te, si ate lifestyle sa Power Mac. May dala siyang coffee. Parang, bakala ka. Parang, di ba delikado yun? Kasi una sa lahat, hindi naman sa'yo yung mga iMac na tapos, ipapatong mo dun yung kape mo, ganyan. Tapos, laptop ka. Ano sabi ko? Ang sakit ng ulo kong lumabas ng Power Mac. Sabi ko, ano mo itong pinasok natin? Anyway, so this is it. Ayan. Ang dami nangyayari all at once. Exactly. Nakakatawa yung lifestyle, te. Ano yan, te? May coffee ka yung Power Mac ba to o Starbucks? Te, yung mga bakla, kala mo may gumagawa ng thesis kasi nga, kumpul-kumpulan sila dun sa table. Tinakatawa. Anyway, Pinoy Soya. Baka dyan na yung thesis. Kaya akala mo talaga may nagtithesis sa Power Mac. Nakakatawa. So anyway, this is the new phone. This is the new look. And this is my new iridescent case. It's so nice. Halos kasing laki lang niya yung iPhone 14 ko. So ang sabi, pag pinagtabi ko daw yung iPhone 14 at iPhone 16, malilipat daw yung mga kineso-kineso. So, I'm not sure, but I'm loving it. I'm loving my new iPhone 16. So, thank you so much, Globe. Yeah. Thank you so much, Globe, for my new phone. I'll just love it. So if you guys want to renew your phones, you can do so, and you can go to, alam mo, ang ganda ng Globe kasi you can do the renewal online. Online na lang siya. Maarte lang ako kasi gusto kong may patunayan. Ang laking abalang pumunta ng SM North ng weekend, so do not make the same mistake. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. What a day in the life ni Miss Eva, exactly. Pictures ma. Picturean ko kayo na. Smile kayo, nak. Smile kayo dyan. Bobo, syempre di ko kayo nakikita. Parang tanga. Nag-brown out ba naman dito? Yeah. If you want to renew your iPhone, just contact Eva. No! Wala pa rin nag-open ng maayos. Ayan. Ang kalat ko. Ang daming kalat. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung case. So, ano na to? So, nag-upgrade na ako to 512. I smiled pa naman. Sige na nga, smile tayo lahat. Eh, ano nyo to, ha? Bakit ang smile? Ang plastic. Nag-post pa naman ako. Sige nga, post ka nga, nak. Nak-post ka nga, nak. Ayan, ano ka. Ayan. Ngumiti ako, be. Naka-post na ako, me. O, game. O, jump shot. Jump shot. Ang galing, 3 yung butas. 3 na yung butas ng lens. Tignan nga natin. Hala, bakit ganito yung mga ano? Isa-set up pa. Gago, ibang language yung nalagay ko. Kurbodado, kineme yung ano, parang Brazil yung chika. Ano to? Written and spoken languages. Set up later. Ay, nakakatamad. Mamaya na yan. Ayan. Ayun lang. So, pag nakita niyo ako nakaganyan. Tapos may nakita ko si Marina. Anong gamit mo? Samsung. Ah! Ni Marina naka-Samsung. Ang sabi lang ni Marina, ako, endorser. Sabihin lang ni Marina, ako, I am paid to use this phone. Talo na. And the Eva versus iPhone continues. Right? So, hindi ko pa alam anong gagawin dito. Pangkaskas ba ito ng yelo? Pwede bang ng gulay dito? Magtadtad ng gulay? Hindi natin alam, ano? Pero, yeah. Pero maganda Samsung ma. Oo naman, kayo naman. Joke lang, hirap nyo namang kabanding. Siyempre, joke lang, sabihin. Dati din akong Samsung, actually, sa totoo lang, mas okay yung Samsung. Maganda sa Samsung kasi sa aming mga drag queens pwede kaming mag-download ng MP3 galing YouTube, diretso sa cellphone, tapos send agad sa production. So, maraming perks yung Samsung, ang paggamit ng Android. Ano siya? Si iPhone kasi, ang yabang, expert. Expert. Si iPhone kasi, maganda siya if you're using multiple Apple products at the same time. You have your Air, iPad, yan. Your, yung watch keme, yung TV, gano'n. Pero for me, madaling gamitin ng Samsung. Madali yung iPhone to Samsung. Samsung to iPhone, medyo nakakabobo. So, kung kailangan nyo ng help, huwag kayo sa akin lumapit. Throwback sa Samsung S20. Oo nga, binigay ko na yung S20 ko dun sa dati kong assistant. Sana okay lang sa kanya. Naku, baka may hubad akong katawan, mahubad akong dun. Wala pala akong mga dick pics. Hindi pala ako naggaganon. Ayan, eto na, magsusulat na ng Hiray pagtanggol eh. Bayad lahat, Bozit. Mas maganda my phone. Natry niyo ba yung Cherry Mobile? Yung parang yung parang calculator. Yung nilalagay sa lanyard. Ganun na cellphone. Diba? Ayun. So guys, just a few invites again. We still have a few more tickets for Joy to the World, which is happening on December 20. Ano lang to? Christmas show. Masaya siya. Guys, are you sino dito nakakakilala sa Spit Manila? Comment nga kayo dyan. Do you guys know Spit Manila? Ang galing nila sobra. Like, if you check them out on Facebook, check them out on Twitter, search nyo Spit Manila. Sobrang galing. As in, brilliant, genius, God, and Spit Manila is doing the show with us. Kaya sobrang ano siya, parang buti pumayag sila kasi sila, nakaka-sold out sila ng music museum. Like, their minds. Right? Oh, ang ganda ng contents ng Spits. Exactly. I am like, sila Arin is like, oh my God. So, some members of the Spit Manila, sila Papu, Ai, Carl before. Sila ang trainers namin. Ako, ni Marina, and some of the Playhouse girlies. Ako, particularly, before I went to Global, I had an intensive training sessions with them. Nadalas ka ata sa live mo, no? Nakaraan. Ay, hindi ako, wala kang sinabing ganyan. Anyway, so Spit is gonna do the show with us on December 20 at Joy to the World. In Joy to the World. At Joy to the World. Within Joy to the World. Yes. So, imagine the drag queens. Us drag queens, we will be joining them in their improv games, the beauty pageants, the oracle. So, excited na rin ako eh. Like, Marina and I, sobrang, love namin yung comedy. And this is this one time in the year that we just let out and be stupid. So we want to share it. When? Again, it's gonna be on December 20. At Teatrino, I think we only have like a few less than 50 tickets left na lang, remaining. We're gonna release the full lineup very soon. Busy lang si Bakla. Pagbigyan niyo na si birthday girl. Lalabas lang siya tonight at kami tonight. So, Hi, Miss Eva. I learned drag makeup. It's because of you and Marina. Thank you. Also, I will be releasing a YouTube makeup tutorial series very soon. Of course, sino ba naman I was awarded the Makeup Guru Award of 2023 by DragCon LA. And let's share it to all of you. So, sa totoo lang, iba talaga tayo mag-makeup. The Filipino drag queens, ang ganda natin pag tinabi tayo sa iba. Right? So, as a queen and as a mother, I don't like to see queens with bad blending. I don't like to see queens. Parang dapat dito sa Pilipinas, rule natin na bawal ang pangit na makeup. Bawal ang pangit na blending. Unless it's intentional, it's artsy, it's this. Unless it's intentionally part of the aesthetic, then of course. But if you're trying to be pretty, but not look pretty, you have to watch my 101. You have to watch my makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna be filming it. I'll be filming it with my sponsor. Bati na kami. So they're gonna be sponsoring my YouTube series. So yes. Alis na ako dyan, Eme. Pasuan ng kilay. Maanong oras ka mag-nap? Actually, I think I'm gonna just have dinner and then I'll just quickly nap and then lalabas kami nila Marina. It's a Saturday night, so gays are gonna go out and we're gonna have some fun. What if house tour? Well, guys, you will be more familiar with this house very, very soon. So, chill lang kayo. You will see it. You will see a lot of it in my contents and in evangelism. So, yeah! And that's it. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Bye.